Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 3 of baby's weight gaining food chart. We are going to start the day with finger millet porridge. This is baby's morning breakfast and you can give this around 8 o'clock. For the sweetness, I am going to add jaggery. I have taken 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Add a little water and dissolve it. Set this aside. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of nuts powder and 2 tablespoons of ragi flour. And if you're not familiar with the nuts powder, please refer the day 1 video. To this, let us filter and add the jaggery water. Give a nice mix. By adding little water and mixing the powder, you can avoid lumps. You can see that there are no lumps now. At this stage, you can add 1 cup of boiled milk. Give a quick mix. Once you have mixed well, you can keep it on the flame and start stirring this. Stir this continuously to avoid lumps. You have to cook this in low to medium flame. This will get cooked quickly. You can switch off the flame when you attain this consistency. Let this cool down completely. Once it cools down, you can transfer this into a bowl. If you don't want this to be too thick, you can add a little milk. Finger millet is a very special millet because other than fiber, it is rich in calcium. So our breakfast is over. At around 11 o'clock, we are going to give snacks. Today's snacks will be fruits. You can give any kind of fruits. Here I am going to give banana today. Around 12:30 or 1, we have to give lunch. For the lunch, it is protein packed green gram rice. For this, we need a small handful of soaked green gram. Into this, let us add 2 garlic cloves, a pinch of cumin seeds and a cup of water. Let us pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Now take some cooked rice according to the requirement and mash it. To this, we are going to add the cooked green gram. Again, we are going to mash this. So here is the green gram rice. You can add some ghee to enhance the taste. Moving on to the snacks, we are going to give cutlets today. If the baby's lunch timing is 1 o'clock, you can give this around 4 o'clock. For this, we need a small piece of paneer, that is cottage cheese. Crumble it like this. Crumbling part is over. Next, let us add some potatoes. This is a medium-sized boiled potato. Mix these two together. To this, let us add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, a little pepper powder which you should adjust according to your baby's tolerance of spiciness, and a little salt. Mix everything together. This is ready. And for the slurry, I am going to use corn flour, 2 teaspoons of corn flour and a little water. If you don't want to use any refined flour, you can go for whole wheat flour or rice flour. And make sure your slurry is thin. Now take a ball sized out of this. Flatten it. Dip it in the slurry. and roll it in the breadcrumbs. All set to be fried now. Pour some oil in a pan. Now let us shallow fry the cutlets. Turn both the sides and cook properly. Both the sides looks fine, looks crispy, we can take it out. Your baby can eat around 1 or 1.5 of this. Along with this or half an hour after this, we are going to give milk. Coming to the milk, I am going to give carrot milk today. For the carrot milk, we need 1 medium-sized carrot. Peel the skin, chop them into pieces, add it into the pressure cooker, add half a cup of water and close this. You can cook this for around 3 whistles. The carrot is ready. Once it cools down, transfer it into the mixie jar. Grind this as fine as possible. This has become a fine paste. Transfer this into the serving glass. To this, add a teaspoon of any sweetener. I am using jaggery powder here. And now let us fill the glass with milk. The milk is already boiled and it is warm now. Give a nice mix. So here the carrot milk is ready. For the dinner, we are going to give barley porridge. Let us take a handful of barley for the recipe. Clean this and soak this in water for about an hour or 2. Barley won't get cooked quickly, so you have to soak it beforehand. This is after an hour. This is little soft now. For soaking, I have used 1 cup of water. Along with the water, I have transferred everything into a pressure cooker. To this, add a small piece of carrot, onions and tomatoes. Along with this, I am going to add a pinch of turmeric powder, cumin powder and pepper powder. Close this and pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles. This will be little difficult to mash, so I am going to cool it down and transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it coarsely. Don't make it into a paste, just pulse it. You can add barley in your baby's diet once or twice in a week. And here is a barley porridge for babies. So day 3 is over. Meet you on day 4 and don't forget to subscribe our channel.